Children, today we are going to study lesson 5, coal and petroleum. In this chapter we will study about some exclusive natural resources like coal, petroleum and natural gas. These are also called renewable sources of or non-renewable sources of energy. Then in your textbook, page number 56, activity 5.1, table, then make a list of various materials used by us in daily life and classify them as natural and man-made. First, natural. In previous class, you have to already study natural resources. Example, coal, petroleum, natural gas, air, water, soil and sunlight. And first, natural resources. Example, coal, petroleum, natural gas, air, water and sunlight. These are the example of natural resources. The next one is man-made natural resources. Then first one is paint, synthetic fiber, then plastic and polyester. These are the man-made resources. Once more, then natural, coal, petroleum, natural gas, air, water, sunlight, and man-made paint, synthetic fiber, plastic and polyester. Then the various resources which are obtained from the nature are called natural resources. These are called natural resources. That means it is obtained from nature. Natural resources. Example, coal, petroleum, air, sunlight, etc. Then on the other hand, paint, synthetic fibers, plastic, polyester are man-made materials. These are called man-made materials. These are called man-made materials. Then these are natural resources are called obtained from natural. Man-made is obtained from artificial or man-made. Then there are two types of natural resources. One is inexhaustible natural resources and exhaustible natural resources. These resources are present in unlimited quantity in nature and are not likely to be exhausted by human activities are called inexhaustible resources. That means unlimited. They can be used again and again. Inexhaustible resources used again and again. Then there is never ending supply of inexhaustible resources in nature. These are never ending. The next is exhaustible natural resources. The amount of these resources in nature is limited. Inexhaustible means unlimited and exhaustible means limited. They can be exhausted by human activities. Example of these resources are forests, wildlife, minerals, coal, petroleum and natural gas. These are the exhaustible. Inexhaustible natural resources unlimited and exhaustible natural resources are limited. Then inexhaustible example, sunlight, air, water, etc. Then exhaustible example, forest, wildlife, minerals, coal, petroleum, etc. In this chapter we will learn about some exhaustible natural resources. What are the natural exhaustible resources? Coal, petroleum and natural gas. Natural resources like coal, petroleum and natural gas, these were formed from the dead remains of living organisms or fossils. So these are all known as fossil fuels. That means these natural resources are known as fossil fuels. That means it is remaining more years than fossil fuels. Example, coal, petroleum and natural gas. These are the fossil fuels. What are the fossil fuels? Coal, petroleum and natural gas. Then one by one study. First one is coal. Coal. Coal is a hard black combustible fuel. That means you have to see in the coal black color combustible fuel, the coal. It is a fossil fuel. In India, coal is found mainly in Bihar, West Bengal, Orissa and MP or Madhya Pradesh. Then coal is one of the fuels used to cook food. Then one use is coal is used to cook food. Then what is the characteristics of coal? Coal is hard and black combustible fuel. In your textbook figure 5.1 picture of coal. Then what are the uses of coal? Coal is one of the fuels used to cook food. Then it is used in thermal power plants to produce electricity. It is used as a fuel in various industries. It is used for the manufacture of coal tar and coal gas. Then it is used as a source of many organic compounds such as benzene, phenyl, toluene, naphthalene, etc. These are the characteristics of coal. Then coal contains carbon. Then the coal color is black color. This contains carbon. In burning time, coal produces carbon dioxide gas. When coal produce carbon dioxide gas. Carbon dioxide gas. Then next is coke. Another form of coal is coke. Coke is a tough, porous and black substance. It is an almost pure form of carbon. Coke is used in the manufacture of steel and in the extraction of many metals. And coke is mainly used in manufacture or extraction of metals, steel, aluminium, silver, etc. The next is coal tar. It is a black, thick liquid with an unpleasant smell. It is a mixture of about 200 substances. You have to see coal tar in road tar. You can see black color liquid form is called coal tar. Then products obtained from coal tar are used as starting materials for manufacturing various substances used in everyday life and in industry like synthetic dyes, drugs, explosives, perfumes, plastics, paints, photographic materials, roofing materials, etc. Industrially, naphthalene balls used to repel moths and other insects are also obtained from coal tar. Then these days, bitumen, a petroleum product, is used in place of coal tar for metaling the roads. And another use is coal tar is used in metaling roads. Then next is coal gas. Another form of coal is coal gas. It is a gaseous fuel. Gaseous fuel means then coal gas is obtained during the processing of coal to get coke. Coal to coke is forming coal gas. Coal gas. Coal to coke forming a coal gas. It is used as a fuel in many industries situated near the coal processing plants. And coal gas was used for street lighting for the first time in London in 1810 and in New York around 1820. Nowadays it is used as a source of heat rather than light. Okay, once more we remind. Today we discuss natural resources or non-renewable resources. Example: coal, petroleum, and natural gas. The various resources which are obtained from the nature are called natural resources. Example: air, water, soil, etc. These are called natural resources. The natural resources are two types: inexhaustible and exhaustible natural resources. Inexhaustible resources, unlimited. That means sunlight, air, these have no ending there. You can use it again and again. Then exhaustible natural resources is limited there. Example: forest, wildlife, minerals, coal, petroleum, and natural gas. Then another some example of natural resources are coal, petroleum, and natural gas. Today we discuss coal. What is coal? Coal is a hard, black, and combustible fuel. Combustible fuel means burning fuel. Then it is already saying that it is a fossil fuel. It is used in first in earlier years cooking food. Then in some thermal plants, then industries use, then fuel various industries, thermal plants. Then coal contains carbon. Coal contains carbon. Then burning time, this coal produce carbon dioxide gas. The next form of coal is coke. Coke also a tough, porous and black substance. It is an almost pure form of carbon. It is used in manufacture or extraction of many metals. The next is coal tar. Another form of coal is coal tar. It is mainly used in industries or many more uses there. Dyes, drugs, explosives, perfumes, plastics, paints, photographic materials. Another is naphthalene balls. The next is coal gas. It is a form of gaseous fuel. It is used in coal gas used in street lighting. Then coal tar is used in metallic roads. These are the forms of coal. Coal containing three forms. What are they? Coal coke, coal tar, and coal gas. In then another form of natural resources are petroleum and natural gas. These are studied in detail in next class. Then today's portion, understand? Understood? Okay. Thanks.